Hi Buro, I am Alyssa. I'm a social media strategist and content creator based in Kuala Lumpur, and today I'll be talking about Sunscreen 101 with concise Skincare UV Gel and Psychiatric Skincare UV Milk. So yeah, watch this video to follow through. So personally, I only got into wearing sunscreen very religiously about maybe 4 or 5 years ago when I first started university. Before then, I didn't quite understand the importance or the significance of wearing sunscreen every day, but I'm so happy that I finally educated myself on why it was so crucial to wear the right type of sunscreen, the right amount of SPF, and especially now that we're staying home more, it is still so very important to wear your sunscreen on a daily basis. I also learned that when you're looking for the right sunscreen for your face, you should be looking for something with at least SPF 30, but I prefer something a bit more, and I've always practiced sunscreen with SPF 50 just for extra protection, because I used to go out in the sun quite a bit and I used to be running errands here and there and doing work here and there, so I've always preferred my sunscreen with SPF 50. So my picks are the Psychiatric Skincare UV Milk and the Psychiatric Skincare UV Gel, which both consist of SPF 50, which is ideal because it helps to prevent damage against sunburn or pigmentation, while at the same time it helps to block out fine particles such as pollen, dust, and air pollution. So they are both formulated with a moisturizing serum base, which is good because this is exactly how you want to start your day, with your skin leaving very hydrated, lightweight, and non-sticky especially. So the UV gel texture is amazing for your day-to-day activities, while the UV milk texture is more suitable for when you have an active day, when you're doing sports, or when you're at the beach, or when you're going for a walk, or when you're just outside basically, because it is waterproof and it is also sweat-proof. The best part about the Psychiatric products is that with the new and improved formula and technology, you don't need to remove the sunscreen with any sort of makeup remover. I also think that in addition to looking out for what is the best sunscreen for your skin type, I personally believe that it is also about the amount of sunscreen that you apply to your face, and that is something that I've been trying to practice more of, and I apply quite a decent amount on a daily basis so that it covers all areas and that all areas are protected from the sun or any other necessary potential damage. So today, because I'm just staying home and running very minor errands, I'll be applying the Psychiatric Skincare UV Gel. And I also recently learned that the best way to apply sunscreen is with the 3 fingers formula, and that is what I'll be doing today. So with the 3 fingers method, you want to make sure that you get enough sunscreen to cover your entire face, neck, and ears. So you basically start at the bottom of your fingers right until the top, and you repeat for all 3 fingers, and you just apply it everywhere where it is necessary. And that is the 3 fingers method. I know it may look a lot, but you need this much sunscreen because your skin is a one flat surface. Up close, it's bumpy. Some parts get filled in before others do, so not using enough sunscreen leads to patchy coverage. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed my little talk on Sunscreen 101. And if you'd like to learn more, you can head to www.buro247.my.